Good afternoon, and today we will be teaching exponential function. So we have here our first given. Evaluate limit of 7 raised to 3x plus 5 raised to 1x as x raised to 3. So in our solution, we have f of 3 equals to 7 raised to 3 times 3 plus 5 raised to 1 times 3. We have substituted the x to 3 in order to solve the problem. So next we have the f of 3 that equals to 7 raised to 9 plus 5 raised to 3. So 40 million, 300,000 divided to 3 and 607 plus the number 25 is equals to 40 million 2,153 and 732. So next we have the given number 2.
So today we're going to solve the evaluated x raised to x equals x. So all the x is here, we're going to substitute the value of x. So first step, we need to substitute the value of x. So we have 2 raised to 2 equals 2. So and the second step, we're going to times this 1. So 2 times 2 is equals to 1. So here, we're going to break down this one. So we have 4 equals to 2. So 4 equals to is equals to 2. So the final answer is 8.
How do we evaluate the limit 6 raised to 4 minus 9 raised to 3x? As x approaches to 2, the limit of 6 raised to 4 minus 9 raised to 3, and the answer is from x, which is from x equals to 2. The bring down f2, and 6 raised to the power of 4 is 1,296 minus 3 times 2 is equal to 6. 9 raised to the power of 6 is equal to 131,441. And we have left 2 and we have 1,196 times 131,141 is equal to 538,145.
Today everyone, let's move on to number 14. The one we give you 2 f from the f of 4 is equal to 2 raised to 4. 2 raised to 4 is equal to 50. Number 5. Evaluate the limit of 7 raised to x minus 6 as x approaches 8. So f of 8 is equal to 7 raised to 8 minus 6. We got 8 because x approaches 8. So we're just going to bring it down. So f of 8 is equal to 7 raised to 8. We got 2 because we subtract 2 of this. Then 7 raised to 2 is equal to 49. Which is our solution.
So number 6, evaluate the limit of 417 minus 10 x equals to 2. F of 2 is equal to 417 minus 10 raised to 2 because 10 because x is approaches to number 2. So 10 raised to 2 is equal to 100. F of 2 is equal to 417 minus 100 is equal to
Evaluate minus 7 plus 19. So the x is approaches to 7. So the f of 7 is equal to 91 raised to the power of 7 minus 7 plus 19. So the f of 7, so we're going to bring down, is equal to 91. So that's why the 0, the result is the 7 minus 7. So we're not going to include in the next step. Plus 19. So the f of 7 is thusly is equal to 1 plus 19 is equal to 20 because this is a step, so that's why it is equal to 1. The 91 we cannot be to 0, so that's why we bring down to 1 plus 19 is equal to 20.
Okay, we're going to evaluate the limit of 730 minus 34 raised to x as x approaches to 2. For f of 2 equals 730 minus 24 raised to 2. The value of 24 raised to 2 is equals to 576. So 713 minus 576 is equals to 127.